Good morning, children. How are you all? Myself, Divya Miss. Today, in English grammar, we will do our chapter 6. It is on page number 12. Let's open it. Let us revise naming words. Children, we have already learnt naming words. 4 naming words we have learnt. Names of things, names of animals and birds, names of persons and names of places. In this chapter, we will revise it. They are noun. Some naming words are names of things. Children, can you give me some example of that? That is chair, table, book, etc. Some naming words are names of animals and birds. That is cat, cow, camel, sparrow, dove, etc. Some naming words are names of persons. Father, mother, doctor, teacher, etc. Some naming words are names of places. School, zoo, museum, park, etc. Now let's do exercise A. Circle the names of things. Children, here we will circle the name of things. 1 number. The pencil is in the bag. So, the pencil is the name of thing here. So, we will circle it. Children, here there is a one more name of things. Yes, bag. It is a name of thing. So, we will circle it too. 2. The table is there. Table. In this sentence, table is a name of thing. So, we will circle it. 3. I have a big cup. Cup. Cup is a name of thing in this sentence. So, we will circle it. 4. Mother has a bag. Yes, it is very easy because in this sentence also we circle the bag. Here also bag is a name of thing. So, we will circle it. Very good, children. Now, let's do exercise B. Match the names with the pictures. Baker. Who's a baker? Who bake cake, pastry, etc. for us. He is a baker. Here, who is a baker? Here is a baker. So, we will match. Children, here you can use the ruler also to match. N-U-R-S-E, nurse. Here she is. So, we will match. D-O-C-T-O-R, doctor. Here is a doctor. Baker, nurse, doctor, they are names of persons. Teacher, father, mother, carpenter, they all are names of persons. Here, names of things we circle. And now, exercise C. Tick the correct names of places. Here, we will tick the correct names of places. There are 2 options of places and we will tick the correct one. 1. I can see many animals in the... Children, where we can see many animals? In the garden or zoo? Yes, zoo. So, we will tick it. 2. This park kitchen has many trees. Who has many trees, children? Park or a kitchen? Park. Kitchen doesn't have trees, right? Very good. I go to the hospital, park when I am sick. Children, when you are sick, when do you go? Hospital. Very good. You will not go to the park if you are sick. 4. I play in the garden roof with my friend. Where do you play, children? Garden. So here we will take the garden. My road school is very far. Who's going to tell me the answer? Yes, school. My school is very far. Here is a value corner. Children, here there will be a situation, and in that situation what will be your reaction? You will take it. Let's see the situation here. On your birthday, your mother prepares a number of dishes but does not prepare your favorite momos. What do you do? Children, if your mother will not make momos for you, what will you do? There are 3 options. Think it, read it, and then take the correct one.